due to human activity on Earth, holes in the ozone layer have formed. The holes in the ozone layer let stronger UV rays in that harm the base of the ocean food pyramid. We can help by not using aerosol cans and this new invention. Introducing the Ozonator. There is an ozone chamber to fill the rocket, a lever to adjust the height, the rocket itself with an angle adjuster, as well as stats and temperature, ozone levels, and a safety check. Last but not least, we can launch! The Ozonator fixes the holes in the ozone layer by releasing compressed ozone.